beautiful people, how are you doing? I hope you are doing well. So today is just a quick short video that I'm gonna show you how I'm hydrating my hair, how I make my hair to be hydrated, to stay hydrated all the time. So today we're gonna just make our tea, and to make our tea we need 3 ingredients. Then I have fenugreek. You know the benefit of fenugreek for our hair. Then I have rosemary. So then we have a clove. So to make a tea is not difficult at all. You can also just have one ingredient of those 3, then you can make your tea. So I'm just gonna add this quantity of fenugreek in my jar, in my glass. So then add my rosemary, then add that kind of teaspoon of clove, then add warm water, so like that much. Okay, so then just stir everything. See, and I will just leave it so that it will cool down, and after that you will see how the color will change, and come and strain it and apply into our hair. So that is not difficult at all. And this tea, look at it, it really look like tea, you know, it's tea. So then you can just apply it you can make it every day on your hair if you have time, just a bit, or every 2 days on your hair, on the hair, on the scalp, and make your massages. And then yes, just make your protective style. If you have like cornrow, even though you have like rasta, braid, I don't know, you just have to put into the scalp and everything is good. Your hair will be hydrated, and that will make it not to damage. So, and it will make your hair not to lose. Okay, so then now we're just gonna leave it like this and come and show you later. And see you soon. So family, you can see now our tea is done. Look at the color, look at the texture. Oh, it's very nice, very nice, very nice. We're just gonna strain it now, and yeah, you see. So let's just strain our tea. Then we're gonna add it on our spray bottle. So family, that is our tea. See, so that is the tea that will make your hair to grow like crazy, hydrate your hair, clean your scalp. So then now let's just go and show you how I'm adding it into my hair, and I give you some advice. Okay, and that is it. What can I say? If you want to hydrate your hair with your tea, you have to add tea first. Okay, then after tea you add your cream, hair cream, hair butter, or leave-in conditioner, anyone. Then after that you add your oil, to seal your hydration. The method is LCO, that means liquid, cream and oil. So then that is our tea, precious tea. You just gonna add it into the hair like this. You can see. And you see my hair. My hair is in the front is not too long, but it's growing. You just make it like this. See? But you are not adding water, I mean the tea, the liquid, too much. You just add a bit so that the hair can be hydrated, you know. Not that the hair is wet, but just that it can be hydrated, so not too wet like this. See, just like this. Okay. And after that, you just make everything so that you hold it like this. Hold your hair like this. See. Hold it like this. Make like so that the liquid can penetrate in the shaft of the hair. See. And after that, you take your cream. I have my DIY hair butter here. The video of this butter when I did it is in the channel. You can go and check that video. Very interesting. This one is there is onion oil, carrot, ginger. Yes. Then you just take a little bit like this and make it like this on your hand, so that you have to feel that it's warm, you know, and come and add it into your hair like this. See? So after that, you add your hair oil, and this hair oil is also my hair oil, the hair oil that I'm selling. So I haven't put the label yet, but soon there will be label on this oil. Very precious oil. Look at this. This is infused herbs oil. So then you just have to take a little bit of your oil and add it into your hair, and the other one just add, make like this, and come on, make the same thing. And here you just have to make some massages. We are not massaging with fingernails, we are massaging with this here, so this place. See? Gently massage like this. Okay, so then continue. Then your hair will thank you. That is how your hair will stay hydrated till the next time you want to you know, to make your wash day. So there it is. Then we are not forgetting the edges, the end. I mean, we are not forgetting the end. You have to treat your end as well. Then take a bit of your hair butter, then make like this on your ends. see. You have to make it gently. That is the way you can return length. Okay. Then just make your twist and you are good to go. Then 2 to 3 times a week, when you feel, or anytime you feel that your hair is dry, you just come and a bit of your tea and add on your hair, just like this. Okay, so now we have come to the end of the video. That is what I wanted to show for today's video. Please like the video, share it and comment. If you are not subscribed, please just subscribe to help me grow my small channel that I just started to show you how I'm doing my DIY hair product. Okay, so thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to hit the notification button so that every time I upload you will be notified. Okay, so see you in the next one. Bye, and take care of your hair. Okay, bye.